Guys, today I will show you how to install infoooze tool in your Termux in Android. First you have to make your Termux update and upgrade. For typing apt update and apt upgrade, press enter. I already updated, guys. I already updated everything, so it will take some time in your Termux, so please update and upgrade. After that you have to type pkg install node json hyphen lts. After that make enter. It will take some time, guys, in your terminal, so please wait. See guys, I already installed this one. After that you have to type npm install -g -s and infoooze and press enter. I already installed this, guys, that's why I'm not making this one. After that you have to type infoooze. Okay, after that you have to type infoooze and press enter. If you press enter, if it's done, guys. So in this video I show only for installation here. If you want a full practical video of that tool, so join the Telegram channel, guys. So thanks for watching, guys. Yeah.